Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to grow a YouTube channel successfully and get organic views worldwide. So the first thing you have to consider is firstly creating a YouTube account. Okay, so once you create a YouTube account, then you have to get started with firstly your profile, your profile logo, profile banner. Then you're going to write some description in your profile below here, like right here. I wrote some description here. I'm Questionnaire. I'm a well-experienced digital marketer. I specialize in social media and admin. I will be uploading videos that answer that same question you keep asking yourself over and over: how can I make money online? Okay, I will be here to work with you at any time. Kindly watch, like, comment, hit the notification bell, and hit the notification bell to get notified once I publish my new video, and subscribe. Thank you. Then I added my hashtag right here. Then as you can see in this corner here, right here, I'm having about 15,000 views plus. I achieved this within few months, just few months. I started this channel fully around November 27, 2022. So the point of the whole thing is to explain to you guys how I'm able to build my channel up to the stage it is right now. I'm having about 249 subscribers, which is a little bit more, but the next time I'm going to be making such a video like this, I'm very sure, and I'm assuring you guys all, that I will have monetized my channel, and it's going to take time actually. So the first thing you have to keep in mind is consistency. Most times I make a video every day. So that is one of the keys to getting more views. Making a video every day will help you, and it will make YouTube discover your videos by the algorithms and rank your video to more audience as time goes on. I hope you understand. And another thing is there are different types of niche you can base on YouTube. So my own niche I base on is social media, digital marketing, social media marketing, and lots more. So basically I made tutorials every time, different tutorials based on different categories of needs and different social media accounts. So like for example, I explain some things in my video, I give tips, I even give giveaways sometimes in my video description. But actually those giveaways are actually a giveaway, but one way or the other I'm still gonna hand through that. Ask me how is simply I went to ClickBank, I partnered as an affiliate, then I get some products that have a lot of discounts, then I added them in my video description for my audience to get those products at a very good rate. So automatically whenever anybody purchases a product through my affiliate link, I'm going to automatically get paid. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So basically everything about my channel, even while waiting for getting my channel monetized, I'm already monetizing my channel. How? Using the audience, diverting the audience down to ClickBank products, which are basically I'm able to get some profits from. So the main thing you should look at right now is, what do I have in my channel that you don't have currently? So the first thing is you have to go to Linktree. Immediately you sign up on YouTube, get a good logo, as I said earlier, and you get a good brand, a good banner, and you add a profile description. The next thing for you to go is to go to Linktree. So once you go to Linktree, you're going to sign up on Linktree, add all your social media accounts there. So for example, I'm going to click on this Linktree link now, and once it loads finish, I'm going to show you how my Linktree is, and once it's done loading, I will come back to that page. So the main thing is actually it's almost done loading now, guys. So when I created a Linktree, I added all my social media accounts there, even including YouTube. So Linktrees allow us to comprehend and add all our social media links in just one page, and it's going to look professional and it's going to look okay. So I recommend you to use Linktree to arrange and set up all your links. And the time I created my YouTube, I have a Shopify store running perfectly, but right now the subscription is due, but I'm going to get it up back again. So once you click on my Shopify store link, it's going to work in the next few months. So guys, my link tree is downloading. So as you can see, at Questionnaire 001, I am Questionnaire. I'm a well-experienced digital marketer. As you can see, this is my YouTube link here. My YouTube channel is here. My Quora account is linked here. My account is linked here. My Twitter account is linked here. My Pinterest is linked here as well. So if you want to link more social media, once you sign up on Linktree, you're going to get how to do everything, as well as there are extra buttons that you can add here for it to look more eye-catching. So do check out Linktree and get all your links down there. So good. So let me go back to this page. This page right here. So once you publish a new video, for example, you are using Screencast-O-Matic, you will have linked the first procedure you have to know about Screencast-O-Matic, which I'm using right now, is you have to sign up with the same Gmail you use to sign up on your YouTube. Then once you're done, once you make your first video, link this your Screencast-O-Matic account to YouTube. So once you publish a new video, it automatically brings up the option of YouTube. Once you bring up the option of YouTube, you're going to click on YouTube and it's going to publish that video right on YouTube immediately within few milliseconds. So once it's done publishing the video on YouTube, the next thing to do is to edit the video. For example, if you are using other social media or other websites like ClickChamp to make your videos and add more effects to them without getting to subscribe on a premium plan on Screencast-O-Matic, then once you get the video down to your system in a MP3 file or in an MP3 video mode, you're going to upload the video through this place. Once you click on upload, it's going to bring the page up on your screen. Then you're going to click on that page, then you're going to upload the video right there. So right now, I don't want to explain deep about that, so I'm going to close this Chrome right here. So the next thing for you to do is, once you're going to see the same thing like this, just exactly like this, guys. You're going to see your screen like this. Just this is how your screen is going to display when you click on the first video you published on your channel. Your screen is going to display like this. So once your screen display like this, the next thing you have to do is to click on edit video. So the button you're going to click on is edit video. Once you click on edit video, you see the option to add your let's say you are going to see the option to add your video description. As I told you earlier, I added some video description right here. Beginner tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time right now. It's really inevitable. So the affiliate links I told you I added in my video description, you can see them right here. They are there. And I added some hashtags related to what I explain in my videos. And what else again? I commented, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. As time goes on, I will get more subscription. So I added the date for this video right here in the video section, and as well I added my location. So for example, there are some other things you have to consider after you're done publishing your video. For example, let me click on edit video. Actually, it's gonna take some time for it to load. So once I click on edit video, which I already did right now, the first thing I'm going to see there is I'm going to see the option of thumbnail is one of the first like a banner or a logo. Sorry, it's a banner form that is seen by all YouTube users worldwide. So actually there's one thing that people do on YouTube which is not like other social media accounts. For example, if you are using a low quality thumbnail, everybody, like for example, the audience are going to judge the book by the cover. Remember the saying, don't judge the book by its cover. Actually, people do that a lot on YouTube. Even I myself do that for other people's videos. But that doesn't mean the videos content are not good. The video content are good, but the person that will upgrade their thumbnail up to the level you wish to see. You understand me? So most times some people out there have a very eye-catchy thumbnail, but their video content is low quality. I must tell you, I've seen so many videos like that. But the main thing is, when you explain things and as time goes on, the main thing is time. As time goes on, you keep seeing people that will give you more ideas and they will help you. Like for example, I have a friend that designed these thumbnails for me for free, totally for free, because said I want to support you in this journey. So if you have a friend out there, talk to them, because you never know what someone can do until you seek out for help. I hope you understand that, guys. So firstly, you have to seek out for help on that aspect, and as well, once you get the thumbnail, you're going to upload it through this section. So after clicking on upload, and if you're based on kids channel, like for kids, every video you're going to be making a video all for kids, you're going to click yes, it is made for kids. So all my videos are tutorials, and I click on no, it is not made for kids. So I just want to show you guys briefly how I did everything right here. So the next thing is tags. I added the same tags I had in my description to rank my video as time goes on. And what else do I want to show you guys? Video language is in English. You can hear me speaking English right now. So title and description language is also English. So I added English. The date, I added date here by clicking on this date option, and you can see I click on the date right here. Video location, I added my location. So what else again? After checking this, you're going to scroll down. Allow all comments. Yes, I do. So after doing all these things, you're going to scroll back up again. Then click on save. Once you click on save, your video is automatically published to worldwide. So anybody can see your video. Once you click on publish and you click on public, you click the option public, not private. Everybody can see your video. So the next thing I want to click on here is editor. Why do I want to show you editor? Editor is one of the best places you could go to on YouTube, because it helps you to add more videos into your videos and add your subscribers subscription button. So you might really not understand what I'm saying if you're a starter on YouTube. So the first thing I'm going to do right here is click on this end screen button right here. I already added some end screen there, but I want to click on edit for you guys to see how everything works. So once I click on edit now, once the options is displayed on the screen, I'm going to show you what next to do. So yes, the option is displayed now. As you can see, I added a video here, and my my subscription button is here. Is right here in the video right here. So the next thing I did is I added my previous video. I also earned $50 from your Etsy store using social media in successfully in 2023. So how do I do this? I click on this option down here, most recent upload, best for viewers, and the last option, choose a video. It's what you're going to click on. So once I click on this, it's going to show me all my videos. As you can see, all my shorts, everything are here. So I scroll down now. I'm going to scroll down now for you to see. So these are my Shopify tutorials. If you want to learn how to sign up and set up a Shopify store successfully in 2023, do check out these videos. They're going to help you out. I took my time to explain everything in these 3 tutorials right here. 1, 2, 3. So do check them out. So after adding this, you're going to click on element. So once you click on element, as you can see, subscribe. The subscribe button has been added in the video right here. So once you click on subscribe, you're going to scroll your subscribe button to any part of this page right here. Once you click on that, you're going to click on save. Once you click on save, once your audience see your video, by the end of the video, which is end screen, those things you added there are going to be displayed to your audience to keep them engaged in every video you're making and to let them learn more. As you as well, I'm talking to you, yes, you. I want you to learn more. Please do check out my previous videos to learn more and more in 2023. So guys, I'm making a community right here on Facebook, Questionnaire REI. I want you guys to join this group. I will be very happy to help you out. This group, I'm going to help everybody right here. So if you are here, you're a YouTuber or you just started your YouTube channel, I will be very happy to see you post in this group saying, hello guys, kindly support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll be very happy to subscribe to you, your channel, and assist you to post it more to other groups I created. Thank you. So I get all my designs done here on Canva, and as well as what else again? Okay. The next thing is I want to show you my previous design, like the video I showed you just now. I designed everything on Canva. As you can see, everything is done on Canva. And what else again? There are other premium other thumbnails I made using my previous videos as well. These are them, and I made them all on Canva without paying a dime. They're totally free. I edited some, I built some from scratch. Everything you are seeing here is made on Canva. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget, do check out all my videos and learn